Thanks for joining. Going to review Korean Air business class going from Honolulu to Singapore, Singapore to Bangkok, and also round trip. In a nutshell, highly recommend them. Comfortable seats, great food, and great service. Now you can see why I highly recommend them. They are great, comfortable seats, again, great food, solid food along the way. And if I were to fly them again, yes, I would. I would definitely choose the same route, the same plane, same configuration. If you like what you're seeing, hopefully this helps with your trip planning. Hit the subscribe button. See you next time.